Are you sure you have everything you need?
I'll come home before sunset.
What a surprise! What are you doing here?
I'm going to the river. What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to the beach tomorrow with my parents. Do you want to join us?
Are you going to come to the beach with us tomorrow?
I'm gonna go to a department store this afternoon.
I need to get some things too. I'm going to go to the supermarket.
What do you need?
I just need some cookies for tomorrow. We're going to take a picnic lunch to the beach.
It's an emergency.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Did you see any good movies?
I read a lot of good books.